Did you know that some pets defy all odds and live extraordinary lives? The world's oldest dog, an Australian cattle dog named Bluey, lived an incredible 29.5 years, far surpassing the typical lifespan of 10 to 15 years for most dogs. And if you thought that was impressive, meet Cream Puff, the world's oldest cat, who lived to the astonishing age of 38 years and 3 days. These record-breaking pets are a testament to the amazing bond and care humans can provide. What's the secret to their longevity? Love, care, and maybe a sprinkle of good genes. If you love this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts.